Do you ever feel like time is slipping away? Like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Do you feel like everyone else is moving ahead while you're stuck, unable to take that first step? If you're nodding along, procrastination might be holding you back. But here's the thing. What if you could break free from it, take action for once, and finally change your life? Start by watching this video to the end. This could be the moment everything shifts. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy. It's about feeling stuck. It's the fear of starting, the fear of failure, or even the fear of the unknown. These fears build walls that stop us from moving forward. And while you wait for the perfect moment, opportunities pass you by. But the truth is, you don't need perfection. You just need to start. And it all begins with 5 minutes. This is the 5-minute rule, and it's as simple as it sounds. Commit to working on any task for just 5 minutes. No pressure to finish, just start. Why does it work? Because it takes the overwhelming weight of doing it all and makes it manageable. Those 5 minutes create momentum. Once you start, your brain shifts into action mode, and before you know it, you've broken through procrastination. The science behind it is powerful. Starting something small gives you an instant dopamine boost, your brain's way of rewarding you for taking action. This builds confidence and motivation, making the next task easier to tackle. Over time, these small victories add up, turning into massive progress. Here's how to get started with the 5-minute rule. Pick one task you've been avoiding. Break it down into the smallest, easiest step, like writing one line or sorting one document. Set a timer for 5 minutes and start. That's it. Don't overthink it. Just focus on starting. The magic is in the momentum you create. Procrastination doesn't have to control your life. With just 5 minutes of focused action, you can break free and ignite unstoppable progress. So, what's your 5-minute task for today? Comment below, take the first step, and change your future. Like this video, share it with someone who needs a push, and subscribe for more powerful strategies to take charge of your life. Your journey starts now. Your success is just 5 minutes away.